Hey guys, what's going on? It's me, Yasin, and today I have with me a portable Bluetooth speaker. This one right here is from a company called Sbode. And these guys reached out to me and were like, want to test out our Bluetooth speaker. So I actually am in the market for a Bluetooth speaker, and I thought to myself, why not try it out? So when you get this Bluetooth speaker, it's in a very nice box. It's white, it's got a bunch of writing on the front and stuff on the side. So let's just open up the box real quick and see what comes inside. So when you open up the box, right away you are greeted with the actual speaker that's in this protection packaging. And when you lift it up, you actually lift up the whole speaker. And it's got a clear case on the top, and it's sitting inside this plastic protection piece on the bottom. And this is the speaker, and right away the first thing you'll notice is just how good the build quality is. It feels good in the hands, and actually how big it is. It's a little bit bigger than most of the portable speakers that I'm used to, which is pretty good. So let's see what else comes in the box. So in the box you will also get a micro USB charging cable, and then you also do get a 3.5 millimeter headphone wire so that you can plug something right into it. And then you get a little booklet, which basically is the get started user's manual, and it's one of those like tri-folding or just folding pieces that's got some instructions on the front and some more instructions on the back. So that's everything that you get in the box. So the design of this Bluetooth speaker is really nice. It's got this very rugged build to it. It's got a string on the side so that you can carry it by that or tie it to a backpack or something else. There are two speakers on the top and the bottom that are 40 millimeters, and then there are two speakers on the sides that are 71 millimeters. And then right up front you get a power button, a volume up, volume down, and a play and pause button. And then all around the speaker you get this very nice fabric material that is covering the two 71 millimeter speakers that are going in opposite directions around this circular shape. And then in the back you will get a little port that's covered by a plastic rubber grommet, and that has a micro SD card slot, so you can actually load up some music in a micro SD card slot, and you can put it in there and play it right off there, even if you don't have this connected to any device that you have with you. And then you also get the port for the 3.5 millimeter auxiliary cable and a micro USB cable port so that you can go ahead and charge this bad boy up. Besides those things, it looks really good. It feels good in the hands, and you can tell by the build quality when you hold it in your hand that it's got a little bit of weight to it, so you know that it has good build quality. And there's some ruggedness to it, like the top ring is rubberized and the bottom ring is rubberized, so that if you do drop it, then you're not worried about scuffing it, or you're not worried about damaging it. And it fits nicely into one hand, so I really do like the build quality. It's black. It's got two different types of shades of black between the actual rubber part on the top and the bottom and the fabric part on the bottom. And then the speakers on the top and the bottom do have a little bit of space so that they move when the music is playing. It bounces a little bit up and down, and also depending on how loud you have it. So that's also really good, and that actually amplifies the music when you set it on a table. So in terms of build quality, this thing is built like a tank, and it's very rugged. It also looks very good, and I do like I mentioned earlier, the two different types of material that they used, which give this Bluetooth speaker a very nice design. This one, I feel like, hit the balance of size to sound quality right on the money, because it is big enough to give you a nice rich sound, yet small enough for you to hold it in one hand and throw it into a purse or throw it into a backpack. So let me play something real quick so that you guys can hear it. And I know it's really hard to gauge the sound coming out of this through the video, but trust me when I tell you, it sounds really good. And for that price of $35 and the size, this thing really bangs. But anyway, take a listen to it for yourself. So as you guys can hear, it sounds really good and it packs a lot of features. As I mentioned earlier in the beginning of the video, it has a micro SD card slot. So that means you can load up music into there from your phone or from your computer and then plug it in there and not have to worry about pairing it with your phone, or if you want to just give it to somebody and they just want to listen to some music. That's a pretty cool feature. It is also IPX8 certified, so that means splash and water are not going to get in it. And it's great for this time of the year because we all go out to the pool or we all go to the beach. So you can take this with you and not having to worry about it if water splashes on it, whether it's gonna damage the speaker. You can throw it into the pool, and I really like that feature because I don't have to worry about that when I'm out at the pool and just trying to have a good time and listen to some music. So that's really cool, and that's one of the features that really attracted me to this when they reached out to me and they said, you want to try this Bluetooth speaker. It has a built-in mic, so if you are using it with your phone and you get a call, you can just answer your call and speak right into the speaker, and it's like as if you're using your phone. And then you can use it for Siri, and you can also use it for Google Now. So that, I feel like this Bluetooth speaker, for the price and all the features that it has, it's just the sweet spot for something that you can just grab and go, and something that you can keep in your backpack or whenever you're going on a trip. It's not too big to haul around, yet it doesn't lack some of the features that some of these bigger speakers have in them. And the last thing that I want to mention is the battery life. So it's rated for 6 hours of battery life, but I actually never had a chance to listen to something on it for 6 straight hours because I'm just busy and I'm running between things. But I did get about 4 hours of battery life out of it before I had to turn it off, and I'm pretty sure it'll last for the other 2 hours that it is rated for, because everything else that's mentioned from the packaging or that's advertised about the speaker is accurate. So I'm sure the 6 hours is also accurate. But anyway, if you're in the market for a Bluetooth wireless speaker, then definitely take a look at the Sbode Bluetooth wireless speaker. Like I said in the beginning of this video, I will put a link in the description where you guys can buy it. I want to thank these guys out for sending me out the speaker, and I'm definitely going to be using this, and this is going to be my go-to Bluetooth speaker in the near future unless something else catches my eye. So anyway, I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, consider subscribing to my channel. If you have any questions about the Sbode Bluetooth speaker or anything in this video, then definitely leave me a comment down below. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, stay plugged.